Biosphere occupies those parts of atmosphere, hydrosphere, and geosphere where life exists. This the layer of the Earth extends from about 9 kilometers 6 miles above the Earth's surface down to the bottom of ocean and includes the lower part of atmosphere, most be the hydrosphere, and uppermost part of the geosphere. If the Earth were an apple, the biosphere would be no thicker than the apple skin. The goal of ecology is to understand an interaction in this thin layer of air, water, soil, and organism. Biosphere, also known as the ecosphere, is the worldwide sum of ecosystem. It can also be termed the zone of life on Earth. Biosphere is relatively the lay of the Earth's surface that support life, reaching from a few kilometers into atmosphere to deep sea vents. Biologists have classified and terrestrial land version of biosphere into biomes. Large regions such as forest, desert, and grassland which distinct climates and certain species, especially vegetation adapted to them. Scientists divide the waterly parts of biosphere into aquatic life zone, each containing numerous ecosystems. There are freshwater like zones, such as lakes and streams, and ocean are life zone, such as coral reefs and coastal estuaries. The Earth is mostly a water planet with salt water covering about 71% of its surface, and fresh water covering just 2% on the surface and underground. Polar iceberg, and ice in frozen soil. Layers could be permafrost and water vapor in the atmosphere. Most of this water is ocean, which cover about 71% of the globe. What are three examples of biosphere? The biosphere extends from diffuse root system and of trees to the dark environment, ocean reaches to lush rainforests, high mountain top, and transition zone like this one, where ocean and terrestrial ecosystem meet. The biosphere is important for living organisms because life exists here due to presence of three major components: land, air, and water. What is the characteristic of biosphere? Biosphere is a part of Earth where all organisms, plants, and animals live. They live in the upper part of ocean and everywhere within the land mass. In the higher altitude, UV radiation and low temperature disable life to spread.